Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Tuntara. This is black color. It is heart. Rectangle. It is pentagon. It is five-pointed star. It is oval. Circle. Let us learn some color names. These are our colors. Green color, grey color, black color, brown, pink, baby pink, sea green, blue color, purple. This is mustard yellow, red, orange, violet, fluorescent yellow. Let us color the shapes. This is sea green color. It is heart. It is pink color. It is rectangle. It is mustard yellow. This shape is pentagon. Golden color. It is star. It is grey color. This shape is oval. This is purple color. This shape is circle. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is heart, sea green color, rectangle, pink color, pentagon, mustard yellow color, star, golden color, oval, grey color, circle, purple color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.